Hey, how's it going, guys? Welcome to Synthetic Oil Protection. My name's Eben, and today we're working on this 2013 Smart Car. And what we're doing is we're doing the brake fluid, and then later on today we're going to do the coolant. We're going to drain and fill the coolant on the radiator, so that'll be another video. You'll see that in my link. All right, let's get started on the brakes. Pop our hood. So there's two little latches on this cute little guy. Come right here. Just pull this back. Like so. Straighten it up like so. Come over here, pull this back, straighten it up like so. All we do is we lift right in the front pops up like so, and slide straight out and down, and then just let it hang by the rope. And now we got access to our brake fluid and our coolant. This takes .4 brake fluid, and that's what we have. That's what we're putting in. So we're putting in our .4. You want to locate which side the brake fluid reservoir is on, and you want to start on the furthest corner away, which would be our back left-hand corner. So that's what we're going to do, is we're going to start on our back left brake. Let's do it. We're on to our brake fluid. The first thing we're going to do is go ahead and open up our top on our .4 brake bottle. And now we're going to use our extraction pump and just suck all the fluid out. Suck it on out. And this extraction pump, you can get this at like an O'Reilly's or a Harbor Freight. A lot of places like that have it. Suck it on out. Pretty much it. Alright, now we're filling her up with our .4 brake fluid. This is our 100% synthetic .3, .4. And this is brake fluid, and also this is good for clutches too. A lot of clutches take brake fluid, so it's good to change that out early. Now we just go ahead and just fill her up. Boom. And we're going to fill her up nice and high, so when we pump down the brakes, when we flush it out of the lines, we won't have to worry about it draining very fast. Throw the lid on. Now it's time to go ahead and flush and bleed our brakes. Let's do it. We're starting at our furthest corner from the reservoir, and we got our brake metal loosener. And what this is it's like a PB blaster. It basically loosens rusty screws. So earlier we sprayed the nipple back here. Take a look at the nipple. And that's where we're going to bleed the brakes from, right here. Right there. See it? And now we're going to start to bleed them. Let's do it. There we go. All right, Katie, go ahead and push down on the brakes. And what you're going to do is you're going to push them all the way down to the floor. So when I open this up, your foot's going to go all the way to the floor, and hold your foot to the floor once it gets there, and don't let off until I say.
Okay.
All right? So go ahead and start the push. You pushing?
Mm-hmm.
All right. Keep pushing. Keep pushing. You got it all the way down?
Yep.
Now let your foot back up. All right. Now come on over, take a look. Now we're going to loosen her up. Come on inside. Ready? All right. Push, Katie, all the way down. Ready? Push. All right, now I got it tightened up. You can let your foot back up. You got your foot back up?
Yeah.
All right, and we continue this process all the way around, unbleeding our brakes. Now we're going to take our brake cleaner, and we're just going to do our extra due diligence and spray up all this stuff back here. Just to make sure all that junk's out of there. You know, we don't want that on there, because it can corrode lines and rubbers and all that. And then we put our little teeny rubber nipple, and we just put it right back on. It just goes right here, snaps on the little nipple behind there, and you're good to go. All right, one extra little thing for due diligence, we're putting on our MP heavy duty metal protector. What this does is it keeps stuff from rusting, and it's a wonderful protectant from salt and all different types of oxidation. Protection, protection, protection. Right, we just bled our back left furthest corner. Now we just want to check. We really overfilled it earlier. Let's just see where it's at so we have an idea. So we're still good there. You can see the level's good. So we're going to go right on ahead and just keep bleeding. Let's do it. We're almost done. So far everything's been mere child's play. All we're going to do in the front rotor here, I'm going to show you, it's a little more transparent here. I'm going to spray it down with our metal protectant. And what this is it's a penetrating oil. It's this little nipple here, that's where you bleed it from. And now it's going to penetrate, and now we'll be back to bleed it. All right, now it's time to bleed our line. All right, Katie, go ahead and put pressure. You got pressure?
Got pressure.
There we go, our first loosening. Let's do it. All right, got it all the way down? Yeah. All right, let it up. Got it all the way up?
Yeah.
Now push the pedal down. All right, let it up. That's it. We're done. All done bleeding the front. We're just going to do our extra due diligence. Spray her off with brake clean. Get all that old residue off. Boom. She's done. Got our metal protectant, HD. We're going to spray it on the rust here. Boom. We're protected. We're going to do our final check on our .4 brake fluid. Take a look. Everything looks completely good. We're just going to add a little teeny bit just for extra due diligence. And that's it. We're all wrapped up. It's just that easy.